Aurora Lite offers two focusing ways, which include manual tool focusing and dual red light focusing. Manual tool focusing is typically used on reflective materials and flat sheet materials. After securing the material, take out the manual focus tool and place it steadily in the slot on the laser head. Carefully move the Z-axis until the material surface contacts the focus tool. Once the focus tool is removed, you can magnetically attach it to the side of the machine for convenient storage and future use. Dual red light focusing is also very easy to use. After securing the material on the rotating axis, turn on the dual red light button to produce two red laser dots. Move the Z-axis until the red dots completely overlap to complete the focusing process. Thank you for watching. Unleash your productivity with Aurora Lite.